Hello everyone, welcome to my video. My name is Miricris B. Macra, Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, Block A. Today, I want to share my personal views about two important parts of who I am, the spiritual aspect and the digital aspect of the self. Let me start with the spiritual aspect. For me, spirituality is more than just going to church or following a religion. I find meaning and peace in my life. It's what helps me stay strong when I'm going through challenges and reminds me to be thankful when things go well. It's about my personal connections with God and how I find meaning and peace in my life. The spiritual aspect is what keeps me grounded. It's that quiet voice inside that tells me what's right and wrong. It helps me reflect on my actions and reminds me to be kind, forgiving, and understanding towards others. I believe that being spiritual means living with purpose and compassion, not just for myself, but also for the people around me. In my daily life, I practice my spirituality in simple ways, like praying, helping others, or even just appreciating the beauty of life. These moments give me peace and help me understand myself better. They remind me that life isn't only about success or material things, but also about growing as a person and keeping my heart and soul pure. Now, let's talk about the digital aspect of self. In today's world, almost everything is connected to technology. The digital world has become a big part of our identity. It's where we express ourselves, share our thoughts, and connect with others. My online identity shows parts of who I am, my interests, my opinions, and even my creativity. However, I also realize that the digital world can be both good and bad. On the positive side, it allows me to learn new things, communicate easily, and express myself freely. It helps me to stay connected with people even if they are far away. I can share what I believe in and be inspired by others who share the same values. But I also understand the importance of using the digital world wisely. Sometimes, social media can make us compare ourselves to others or pretend to be someone we're not. It can affect how we see ourselves if we let likes, comments, or followers define our worth. That's why I always remind myself to stay authentic, to make sure that who I am online reflects who I truly am in a real life. For me, the spiritual and digital aspects are deeply connected. My spirituality helps guide how I act and present myself online. It reminds me to be respectful, responsible, and kind even in the digital space. In a world where it's easy to judge or spread negativity, I try to use my online presence to share positivity and encouragement instead. In the end, I believe both aspects are important in shaping who I am. My spiritual aspect keeps me connected to my faith and inner peace, while my digital aspect helps me connect to the modern world. When I balance both, I become more aware, more responsible, and more true to myself. So, for me, spirituality gives meaning to my life, and the digital world gives me a space to express that meaning. Both help me grow, connect, and discover who I am in this ever-changing world. Thank you for listening to my video.